Recently, I've had some issues with my washing machine. Well, I thought I had some issues. My washing machine here is 11 years old and I love it. It's been working phenomenally. But I had some clothes that maybe didn't smell as fresh. So I switched detergents. Didn't really fix the problem. So I added some of those rinse things, not fabric softener, but the rinse thing. Still didn't really fix the problem. And then I washed a blanket. And when I went to take it out, there was still, all around here, there was still foamy stuff. So I had to rinse it again and again. Finally kind of occurred to me that maybe the washing machine isn't broken. Maybe the detergent isn't the problem. Maybe it's just dirty. So I looked into cleaning your washing machine. Apparently you're supposed to do it once a month. And 11 years, so I've never done it. But I found these active washing machine cleaner tablets. And apparently all you have to do is take one out and toss it in, run a cycle on hot water, or if your machine is a newer one, it might even have a clean drum or washer cycle. Throw one in there and it will break apart all the grime, all the musty odor and soap residue, and it will make it spotless. So I'm going to give it a try today. They are septic tank safe. It says it cleans, deodorizes, refreshes, and protects. And you go, oh, that's a cute little note. Thanks for giving our small family-run business a shot. Your orders and reviews matter more than you can imagine. Sincerely, Jess. That's sweet. And you take out one of these little tablets. They give you a whole year supply that if you do it every 2 weeks, you have a little calendar there so you can mark off when you do it. Whole year supply, throw a little tablet in, hot water. Let's see what happens. Let's peek in and see how it's doing. Ooh, sudsy. Smells really clean, and there's a lot of foam there. I don't want to touch it because I don't know if you're supposed to, but okay, go back, do your thing. All right, we're gonna peek in. It's done the wash and it's started to drain. And we're gonna have a look. Oh, I see some little floaty things. Look at this, look at that. Oh, that's disgusting. Okay, that looks like, I don't even know. Do you see all these things floating around? This was an empty, clean washer. Wow. Okay, it's done. Are you excited? I'm excited. Honestly, I really am. Let's have a look. I'm seeing a washing machine. I don't know. Oh, actually, I thought that was rust. And it's now white, so that it's not a rust remover. So apparently that was dirty. I can't super tell, to be honest. Like, it looks shinier maybe, but this definitely, there was stuff there. I'll go back to the shot that I had. That's cleaner. It smells very clean, and I'm gonna definitely, I think this made a difference in just one. I think it's a smart thing to do. That's what I think. I'm gonna see how my clothes do too. Now, if there's any foamy thing, because apparently it washes all behind the drum. I'm not going to take apart my washer, obviously, but apparently it washes all behind the drum and all the stuff that you can't see. But I think it definitely made a big difference. So thank you for watching. And I think if you don't clean your washing machine like I didn't, this is something that is ridiculously easy. And after just one, it cleaned what I could see. Wow. Link will be somewhere in the comments or above or below the description. Thank you.